Abuti.
Dumelang bana.
Can you teach us how to say my name is in Sepedi?
Leina lakake abuti.
That sounds easy. Show us some more.
Dumela leina lakake abuti.
Dumela, leina la kake ausi.
Dumela leina lakake abuti.
Dumela, leina la kake sera.
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. Leina means name. And the laka means of mine. The ke in this context means is. So we're really saying name of mine is.
Dumela leina lakake abuti.
Dumela, leina lakake Joseph.
Dumela mcha leina lakake abuti.
And now you can say my name is in Sepedi. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.